It's Week 16 of the 2024 season, and we'll see this team's sure-handed wide receiver, who's closing in on 1,000 yards receiving on the year.
Looking to throw right away. Has him on the quick hitter. Continuing to move past the 45. And he made a bid for midfield there, but stopped on his own side at the 49. One play in, and already they're close to midfield. Throwing now on first down. He completes it in traffic. And this is marked down right along that 40-yard line. Still on the move, coming to the line for 1st and 10. That's Thomas, he's got it. And he's going to be brought down at the 35-yard line.
Every once in a while, it's fine to be conservative on first down, especially when you get enough to stay on schedule and get a little something coming out of it, too.
Halfway to the marker, it's 2nd and 5. Tight end in motion left. Out of the gun, they'll give it to him inside. And this one does not go far. They manage a single yard that time. They're going to have to solve 3rd down and 4.
Hey, we know running the ball in the NFL is hard, and that play pretty indicative of it. Here's the key, though. At the end of the game, those type of plays got to be in the minority, and the majority have got to do some damage.
3rd and 4 coming up now. Throwing from the gun here. Has it down close. And they catch up to him, but not until he's got a huge gain and a 1st down. They'll try and punch it in. He's into the end zone. Touchdown. These guys take a 6-0 lead on their opening drive. No doubt about that one, Brock. They soften that defense up with that lengthy opening series. Out of the shotgun, they'll give it to him inside. And they're going to drag him down. After a decent gain, he gets up to the 36. After a good pickup, they've got 2nd and 4. From the 36. That one is incomplete. Couldn't hang on through the contact. Gonna have to wait a little longer for his first catch of the game. And now they need to get 4 on 3rd down. Pass play now. Lays out left side and gets it. Pushing the pace right away to start the game. They'll throw on 1st. Dialing up a receiver screen. And the defense is all over this one for a big loss. Here's 2nd and 14. He's got a man left. And he drives this across midfield and down into enemy territory. Trying to work quickly now. They're going to throw it on 3rd and long. Just got it away before the hit, but it doesn't matter. It's incomplete. 4th down coming up. Throwing now from the gun. Short pass brought in. And he works this to the 38 before going down. Offense ready to begin this drive. 1st and 10. They'll come out throwing. Throw left side, complete. And he goes out close to that 45-yard line.
Well, that's a pretty similar result to a first down run play. Moves it forward, keeps you on schedule, and makes second and third down a whole lot easier to manage.
Makes the grab in bounds left side. He makes it in for the touchdown. These guys. Back to throw on 1st and 10. Dumped off to his running back. And he'll go down, and we'll say right at the 39-yard line.
That is a textbook first down completion. Sets up second and very manageable and creates space to take that shot downfield.
Throwing off the play fake here. Caught, nice gain left side. And he'll be taken down, but not until he reaches that 45-yard line. A new set of downs awaits him. Here's 1st and 10. He's dropping back to throw. He had it for a moment, but a great defensive play to jar it loose. Incomplete. Couldn't connect on 1st. It's 2nd down. He'll throw it yet again. Hauled in left side. And he's able to get this down to the 36.
Well, he saw his guys pick up the blitz. Well, he felt them pick it up anyway if he wasn't looking at him. But with their effort on his behalf, I think this QB felt owed to them and the group up front to find somebody to get a completion, so that effort up front wasn't in vain.
The handoff on 3rd and short. And that short gain is enough for a new set of downs. So we're through one as everyone... Welcome back. We're all set to start the second. Offense already out to resume its drive. They're looking at yet another 1st and 10 on this drive. And he's only able to power this forward for about 3 yards. They're working quickly here. Back to the well again. And he's brought down after taking this to the 26. A dose of the hurry-up offense here. Shotgun now on 3rd down. Finds his man over the middle. And not much doing. He stopped quickly.
Here we go. Here's one of those game situations that just puts a smile on my face, because I can think from Pop Warner to the NFL, everybody on the field thinking the same thing. Can we go for it? Can we get one more shot as you end up just short on that 3rd down?
To the air now on 1st and 10. Pocket isn't holding up. They're able to drop him. And the big play drives them backwards. 2nd down coming up. Trying again, following the sack. Cut near the goal line. Touchdown! Great opportunity to find a touchdown there, Brock, and they come through with 6.
Receivers want the ball everywhere on the football field. But you start smelling the end.
Shotgun snap, looking to throw. He puts some air under a deep throw to the left. And his perfect start is over. And that's the first one of his throws to wind up incomplete. So after the incompletion, here comes the 2nd down call. They'll throw it. Throw reeled in by Thomas. And they touch him down. Looks to be about 4 yards short of the 6. Chance to move the chains here on 3rd and 4. Shotgun snap, they're gonna throw. Looking slant route, complete. And he's gonna go down right along the midfield stripe. They'll keep this drive moving and come to the line for 1st and 10. Still sticking with the passing game. Throwing the out route, complete. And he'll cross the 50 and start pushing onto the opposing side of the field. 2nd down now, 7 to go.
At the 47-yard line.
From the 47. Completes this one to Baker. They'll touch him down a couple of yards away from that marker. 3rd and just 2 to go.
Brings up 3rd and 2.
Here's the lone back on the handoff. And he's tackled with the 1st down yardage. Here's a throw. Has him on the quick hitter. And he's stopped at the 31-yard line. 2nd and 6 coming up here.
It's now 2nd and 6 at the 31-yard line.
From the 31. Throwing all the way to the end zone here. Intercepted in the end zone.
You know, Kate, one of the tenets of the West Coast system that I was fortunate to play in, touchdown to check down. Touchdown to check down. You get in the down to check down. You can't put the ball in harm's way. That's a brilliant job by the defense with their coverage, baiting the quarterback into the throw. But you got to sail that one into the stands. Touchdown or check down. You can't possibly give an interception in that situation.
Now we're going to get an offensive timeout. That's their first. Running for the marker on 2nd. Broke through the tackle. And he's brought down after a tremendous effort just to get a couple of yards. And following the play, we've got a break in the action as the trainers head out. They had a man hurt on the play, and hopefully this doesn't affect his availability for the playoffs. Looking to throw on 3rd and 1. And that's a win for the pass rush. Hit as he threw it, leads to the incompletion. 4th down coming up. They're going for this. He connects downfield on 4th. One of their biggest plays of the game, and it comes on a...
You know, Kate, we often talk about flipping the field in special teams, right? A kick return, a good punt. Well, an explosive play like that does the exact same thing. Look at the difference in field position. By hitting on that shot, you've totally flipped the field and the tone of this drive.
He's got it over the middle. Big gain, 14 on the play. And they're going to have a 1st down.
You want to become a quarterback's best friend, do that. Turn a short little gain, a short little pass into some yards after catch, and that quarterback will find you again.
A give now from the gun. And they love to see him fighting forward, but he only gets them 3. Offense working quickly. Another carry for him. And once again, he doesn't manage much before getting brought down. Here they come. This is 3rd and 5. Throwing from the gun here. Buys time, rolling right. And he just gets rid of this one, but unfortunately, that means 4th down coming up. The decision is to take the 3. Out comes the field goal unit for this try. And it is good. No problems there on the shorter attempt. And it's dropped back down now. Oh, he taps it quick to the receiver coming across here. And this one doesn't go far. 3 yards on the first down play, and that brings up 2nd and 7. Lone back gets the handoff. And he'll be brought down a step or two shy of midfield. They're going to mark him at the 48. Offense in the hurry up here. First down, and they go right back to him. He finds some space again. And they'll finally get him down at the 37-yard line. Offense up to the line fast. Going to the ground again on first. And they sent it straight ahead, but the front stops him after a gain of 3. Moving quickly, trying to get set again. From the 34. He's got it near the 8. They rip off a big chunk of field, and it sets him up with 1st and goal.
Kate, I've probably seen a million balls thrown in my life, and maybe even more. From the time I was in high school all the way here to the pros, and over all these decades of watching guys throw it, and I'll tell you what, I never get tired of watching a laser like that.
And he pushed for it, but they managed to stop him at the 2. Just 1 yard on the run. Still in good shape, though, with 2nd and goal from the 2. Throwing now from the gun. Gets it towards the end zone, but it's incomplete. Thought he had a touchdown there. And now they're left with 3rd and goal. A close game is going to stay close, Brock, so long as plays like that are being made in big situations.
Yeah, in these tight games, you got to have your defense making plays just like that in the red zone. Here we got a defender in particular.
And in for the touchdown. So that, Brock, an important score here as they move out in front.
You know, Kate, this is... game where fatigue starts to set in every once in a while, but that right there was a determined looking drive. They were not going to be denied and able to score and take the lead.
That one right down the middle. And his guy. Here's a give up the middle. And the defense gets there to force a small loss. Back to the line they go. It's 2nd down.
Loss of a yard. Brings up 2nd and 11 at the 29-yard line.
Fakes the handoff, now to throw. Defender arrives right as the ball does, and the hit knocks it free. Incomplete. No connection on the last play, and now it's 3rd down. Throwing from the gun. That one's cut along the left sideline. It's a 26-yard pickup there. And it sets up 1st down. Off the play fake, he's going to throw. No one open, so he chucks this to another county.
Everybody wants to play quarterback until a play like that. Almost no resistance off the ball and the defense ready to maul you. It was all he could do to get rid of it before he gets just clocked.
And he's brought down for a loss. This drive in some serious trouble. It's 3rd and 12.
Brings up 3rd down and 12.
They're throwing it. He intercepts the pass. Well, no doubt they envisioned that as the start of a second-half push for the lead. But the defense, well, defense had other ideas, Brock, protecting. Advantage and taking possession back on the first play of the series.
Not the way you needed to start the half if you were thinking comeback, but exactly the way to start the half if you're trying to take this lead and step on it. That's a defender who sensed the need for a splash play and delivers.
And he's tackled after gaining a handful. All right, we'll take a brief timeout here for an injured player. Never something you want to see this late in the season. They're going to check him out. 2nd and 4. Completed to his running back. And he's going to get this up close to the 40 before going out. Give him 8 yards on the play. And it'll give him a first down. Handoff now out of the gun. Big play, pushes them beyond midfield. He does it, touchdown! These guys make them pay for turning it over. They'll run it from the gun. And he has it up towards midfield before he's taken down at the 47. Great start to the drive. They're up in the neighborhood of midfield after just one play. Throwing now on first down. Got a man, it's Thomas. And he drives this across midfield and down into enemy territory. After a good pickup, they're set up with 2nd and short. The give now out of the shotgun. And he takes it just inside the 40, down to the 39. Offense set for a 1st and 10. Now they'll throw out of the gun. Short pass brought in. Oh, what a stiff arm. We're through 3 on this holiday weekend. The drive picks up here, 1st and 10. Working inside the red zone. And he just hucks this one away. Wasn't going to risk a throw or force something. It brings up 2nd down.
It's now 2nd and 10.
He brings it in. And he's tackled for a short gain. So a tough spot now. This is 3rd and 9. Back to throw. And he finds him in the end zone for the touchdown. This one's a little touch pass forward to his man coming across.
Holding offense.
A game they were pretty happy with goes away via the penalty. And now we're going to wait to see how they respond. Double the distance to go after that holding call. It's now 1st and 20. Back to throw now. Completed over the middle. And he'll go down after pushing this up to the 29. Even with this lead, keeping the pedal down. Here's 2nd and 11. He lobs it deep middle. And that's going to be knocked away, incomplete. Trying to force one through there. So they're left facing 3rd and long. Dropping back to throw. Finds him over the middle. And that's good yardage with a new set of downs. Everybody rushing back to the line. They are throwing it again. Cut out left. And they finally bring him down, but that is a big gain and a new set of downs. New set of downs for him at the 38. He'll throw it yet again. Hits his running back. They get 13 on the pickup, and that gives them the first.
I know the Combine tries to test everything it possibly can physically, but I don't know how you test courage at the Combine because there's nobody defending you. Nobody wants to hit you. But that was the epitome of courage to make that in cut and make the catch.
And he'll push this upfield and earn them a new set of downs. Well, we've talked about this before, Brock. The thinking's simple but effective. We'll stop getting it to this guy when you find a way to stop him, and they have yet to do that today.
You know, there's just certain things up in this booth that I love. I think you could feel it emanating from me. And one of them is when you impose your will, and you don't back away from it. If they can't stop it, run it right at them.
And it took a couple of guys to haul him down there after a gain of just one. On 2nd and 9. This one's caught. He has the touchdown. And they've loved the scoring production he's brought out of their offense. That touchdown gives him 10 on the season. First and 10, looking to throw. He's got Thomas on a slant. And he has it up towards midfield before he's taken down at the 47. Working quickly here. Back to pass on 1st and 10. Makes the catch, but does not do it in bounds. It looks like he came down on that sideline. 2nd down coming up. This will be the last play before our 2-minute warning. 2nd and 10 now. He throws a bullet deep to the right. Brought in inside the 20. And he's in. Touchdown. These guys making a 4-point game here in the 4th. And now for the point after, and crucially to bring things within a field goal. And he connects there, so now another kick from him. A field goal will tie this game in the 4th. Volley set up, and it's away. Just a three-point game now. Here comes Williams on the return. And in the end, he's able to get it to what used to be a... At the 25 after the return. This offense and their quarterback making their way back out there, ready to take over once again. And it's been such an incredible season for him. As we play our final month of football, he's leading the NFL in passing yards. And he'll take it up to the 30 before being brought down. Halfway to the marker, it's 2nd and 5. They give it to him again. And he's downed after getting this up to the 41. Timeout taken by the defense. They're second. And they'll have just one left to burn now. 1st and 10 from the 41. Wow, they're going to pass it here. Dumped off to his running back. And they get this down to the 44 before he stopped. The defense takes its 3rd and final timeout. That's all they had, so the offense free to start running the clock down now. From the 44-yard line now, 1st and 10. Oh, look at this. He's setting up to throw. Catch made over the middle. And he's going to be brought down at the 35-yard line. Offense hurrying to the line with the clock running. Here he is to throw. Hauled in left side. And he's going to be brought down at the 23-yard line. Hurry up offense now as time runs down. He'll look to throw it. Throw caught at the 6. And that should just about do it, folks. They take it in for the touchdown, and that should lock up this one. Looking to throw it. And they get to him way behind the line on this one and take him down. Keeping that pace going as the clock continues to run. And he doesn't see a window he likes, so he just got rid of that one. And then brings up 3rd down.
Those passes get more and more difficult as you try to get aggressive down the field. Those windows and throwing lanes, Kate, they're not open very long, and it only takes a little bit for a throw to be thrown off.
Uh-oh, he can't escape. He's brought down. So something to be proud of, Brock, as they come away with a win. And this winning streak continues to grow as they claim their 4th victory in a row. And with Brock Heward and our EA Sports crew, I'm Kate Scott saying so long from this one. A nice showing here from our winners as we say goodnight, everybody.